Πάμε να συνεχίσουμε τη βολτούλα μας. Χαίρετε, χαίρετε.
He want to picture with
Ah, okay, of course.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Serbia.
Serbia. And
Serbia.
how do you know me?
I don't know. He tell us. I think I know him.
Does he knows English?
Da.
Can you ask him how does he know me?
Pita kako ga znaš?
Ne znam.
Ne znam. Ali kaže, I think I know him.
Has he ever watched my video or something like this? Because I'm making video on live stream in YouTube. Oh, from Serbia. Kisses to all Serbia. Does he want to show him on my live stream?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
That is
What is his name?
Στράχινα.
Στράχινα. I'm Theo. Nice to meet you. Κάνουμε καριέρα και στο εξωτερικό. Έλα.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice time here in Greece. Have a nice time. Unpaid Serbians. Λοιπόν, τώρα κάτσε να πετάξουμε εδώ πέρα το πουράκιο. Δεν ξέρω. Αγγλικά Τσίπρα. Ναι, με έπιασε αδιάβαστο, ρε φίλε. Λέει, πού με ξέρω, παιδί. Για πες. Τώρα είστε για κλείσιμο, Ναι, μαζέψανε εδώ πέρα τα πατσάνια.